So welcome back students. In my last video number 7 from history chapter 5, when people rebel 1857 and after. Okay, so in my last video from this chapter, video number 7, okay, we were discussing on a topic, a mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. Since this topic is very vast, okay, so we have divided this topic again into the subtopics so that one particular issue can be covered. Okay, so in that last video number 7, we were working on the topic the rebellion spreads. Okay, so number of things we have discussed, how the rebellion, that is the mutiny started by the soldiers, how it converted into a widespread rebellion in which apart from the soldiers many other group of Indian population have joined that struggle. So the mutiny, that is the revolt of the soldier, was converted into a very popular rebellion. Okay, we also discussed that how in different parts of India the different leaders have joined this struggle. Okay, so we have discussed that in Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai also joined the rebel soldiers and he led his struggle against the British with the help of one of his close aide, friend Tatya Uppe. Okay, so that was the last point that we have discussed in last video. Okay, few points were left, so we'll cover those few points in this video, and then in next video we'll discuss with the another topic. Okay, so it's a small 4 or 5 things which were left, okay, in the last video. So the rebellion spread, the topic we are continuing. So what happens, the number of British forces was very less than rebel soldiers. Okay, initially means शुरुआत में, ठीक है. What happens, as soon as the mutiny began from Meerut, okay, so at that time the number of British soldiers or the European soldiers were very less in the East India Company army. जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की आर्मी थी उसमें ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स या यूरोपियन सोल्जर्स की संख्या बहुत कम थी. मैक्सिमम सोल्जर्स कौन थे, इंडियन सोल्जर्स थे, एंड दे आल्सो रिक्रूटेड फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ यूनाइटेड प्रोविंसेस, दैट इज जो आज का उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार और बुंदेलखंड का मध्य प्रदेश वगैरह का इलाका है. इस इलाके से मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इंडियन सोल्जर्स भर्ती थे. ओके, एंड व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस, दैट म्यूटिनी started from this area only. Okay, so the soldiers who belongs to this area, most of these soldiers joined the mutiny. क्योंकि म्यूटिनी उत्तर प्रदेश मेरठ से शुरू हुई थी, इसलिए ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के आर्मी में जो सोल्जर्स उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, बुंदेलखंड के इलाके से भर्ती थे, ऑल दो सोल्जर्स जॉइंड द म्यूटिनी. सो ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के पास अब जो बचे सोल्जर्स, दोज हु आर स्टिल लॉयल टू द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, वो कौन से बचे, वो सोल्जर्स जो उत्तर प्रदेश या बिहार से ज्यादा बिलोंग नहीं करते थे. फ्यू फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश ऑल्सो रिमेन लॉयल विद द ब्रिटिश, बट now the Britishers are left with only the British soldiers and very less number of Indian soldiers remain loyal to the British. Because of that, what happens, the number of British forces was very less than the rebel soldiers. Okay, तो जो rebel soldiers थे, जो विद्रोहियों की संख्या थी, वो British forces के कंपैरिजन में बहुत ज्यादा थी. Okay, because of that, initially British lost many battles. Okay, initially means क्योंकि सोल्जर्स की संख्या ब्रिटिशर्स के पास बहुत कम थी, इसलिए शुरुआत में जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे अलग अलग स्थानों पर उन्होंने बहुत सारी लड़ाइयां लॉस्ट कर दी. ओके, तो दे लॉस्ट बैटल एट मेरठ, दे लॉस्ट बैटल एट दिल्ली, कानपुर, लखनऊ, झांसी एंड मैनी अदर सेंटर्स वेयर द रेबेलियन स्प्रेड वेरी क्विकली. वो रेबेलियन स्प्रेड so quickly that the British government, that is the East India Company government, was not able to handle the situation. One after another, from one center to another center, the soldiers mutinied. They were joined by the large number of local zamindar, jagirdar, old raja, mansabdar, and along with the peasants and maybe the other peoples. So because of that, the British East India Company government did not get the sufficient time to maintain or to prepare its strategy. Okay, so in initial stages, what happens? The British lost many battles. बहुत सारी लड़ाइयां अलग अलग स्थानों पर, वहां पर किसकी हार हुई? ब्रिटिशर्स की हार हुई. Now when the Britishers were losing the battles one by one, what actually happened? It encouraged the Indians, okay? Because now they think now that it is possible to defeat the British and throw away from India. जब शुरुआत में ब्रिटिशर्स एक के बाद एक बहुत सारी लड़ाइयां हारते चले गए, ओके? सो ब्रिटिशर्स की हार ने इंडियंस के मन में एक विश्वास जगाया, ओके, एक कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप किया कि हाँ, हम ब्रिटिशर्स को क्या कर सकते हैं? हरा सकते हैं. ब्रिटिशर्स को हराना इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस गिव द बूस्ट in the mind of the Indian people that if we come together, okay, we join our hands, then yes, it is possible defeat the British and throw away from India. Okay, so this initial loss of the British in battles, it increased the confidence of Indian against the British. Okay, जो शुरुआत में ब्रिटिशर्स छोटी बड़ी बहुत सारी लड़ाइयां हारे, उसने इंडियंस को क्या दिया? एक बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस दिया, ओके, अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिश कि नाउ वी आर एबल टू डिफीट द ब्रिटिश. मैनी न्यू लीडर्स इमर्ज टू लीड द स्ट्रगल. ओके, और कई जगहों पर ऐसा हुआ कि द रेबल सोल्जर्स डिड नॉट हैव एनी लीडर. सो विद इन द कॉमन पॉपुलेशन of that area, few people who were proactive, okay, they developed themselves, they immersed themselves as a leader. Okay, for an example, in case of Lucknow, okay, in case of Faizabad, Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah, okay, he became the leader of the rebel soldiers in and around Faizabad. Okay, likewise one common soldier named Bakhat Khan, okay, he has taken the initiative and he led the struggle along with the soldiers who rebelled in and around Delhi. Likewise in the state of Bihar, an old zamindar at the age of 73, his name was Babu Kunwar Singh. Okay, he also joined the struggle and very soon he became one of the most important leader of 1857 struggle. Likewise, in different parts of India, okay, those people who were unknown to most of the population, they came forward, they have taken the initiative, they dare enough to lead the soldiers, and at many places, not only they led the soldiers, but they also led the peasants warriors or the Adivasi people to fight against the British. Okay, so this is how the rebellion, that is the mutiny of the soldiers, converted into a widespread rebellion and that widespread rebellion spread from Meerut to Delhi, and then from Delhi to most of the parts of North India. Okay, so this is that much is given in our syllabus. Okay, so the topic a mutiny becomes a popular rebellion is completed. Okay, with the end of this last point. In next video, we will continue the same chapter with a new topic. Okay, thank you, students.